Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from Xoom to your bank account in 2025. If you're using Xoom for international transfers or sending money quickly, knowing how to get it into your bank is essential. Let's dive right in. First off, why use Xoom? It's a secure platform by PayPal that lets you send money globally with ease, and in 2025, they've added even more features like faster processing and enhanced security. But before we start, make sure you have a verified Xoom account, your bank's routing and account numbers handy, and enough funds in your Xoom wallet. Step 1. Log into your Xoom account on the app or website. If you're on the mobile app, it's super intuitive. Just tap the login button and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head to the Wallet or Transfer section. Step 2. Select the option to transfer funds to your bank. You'll see a menu for withdrawals or bank transfers. Choose your bank from the list if it's partnered, or enter your bank's details manually. Double-check everything to avoid errors, nothing worse than a delayed transfer. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Xoom might show you any fees up front, so keep an eye on that, especially with the 2025 updates that could include lower fees for frequent users. Review the details, confirm your identity if prompted, and hit Submit. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. In 2025, most transfers hit your bank within minutes, but it could take up to 1 to 2 business days depending on your bank. Keep an eye on your email for receipts and track the status in the app. A quick pro tip. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to keep your money safe. If you run into issues, Xoom's 24/7 support is top-notch. There you have it. That's how you transfer money from Xoom to your bank account in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.